Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol BA Boeing. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, a very rough day here for Boeing. Now, in its defense, it was a very rough day for the entire market, so it's not like markets were booming and then Boeing was just dropping down like it did today. But nonetheless, still was a bearish day. And the big technical event that happened today was that the price broke down through a level that had been doing a good job of holding strong, and that was right up here around the 163.75 mark. And when the price broke below there, at that point, that's what really opened up the floodgates. But that also is what brings about a key area and a key update. And this update is just based on a foundational rule in chart which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to behave as resistance. And we actually already have an example of that. So after the price did break down below, you can see the very next candle, there was an attempted bounce back to the upside. And you can see right there, that is where it got rejected. Back to the downside it went. So while I'm not saying that 163.75 can never, break or anything like that, I'm just saying it makes sense why the price ultimately did fall, from that area as it, reversed back around. So if there is any sort of attempted movement back to the upside, the big question mark now remains around the 163.75 mark. If there is any sort of bounce, is the bounce actually strong enough to be able to push through it and maintain above it? So keep a close eye on that from the resistance side of things. As far as levels of support are concerned, first key level, which got close today, didn't quite hit, is down here at the 158.75 mark. And this is just a low from back here. You can see a couple weeks ago. Like I said, price got very, very close. Did it hit it exactly? It didn't. But that'll be the first key level of support. But if that level can't quite hold up, then as you're seeing here, that would then start to put the price at levels that haven't been seen for several weeks, with the next level of support not being until down there around the 156 mark. So those are going to be the main technical levels to watch moving forward. Let's see what happens with it as the week continues to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.